I'm cob on a corn.
Corn on the cob.
Well, whatever that is, though. Corn on a cob.
There's our crash over there. You can see the cars turning around. Okay, so I am showing Petra an American home. We're inside one right now. Before we get started with today's video, like and subscribe right down below. It helps us to continue to explore new places, bring you new content, and show you our life in this beautiful world. So now let's continue with the video. Cheers. Okay, we are leaving the Hotel Capstone that you can see behind me. We are leaving. It is Sunday morning, and today we're going to eat some traditional American barbecue. It has been quite the 72 hours. If you didn't see the football video before this video, make sure you check that out of her first experience at an American football game. Alabama won, and they won big, and she loved it. We caught some really good film of the game and the whole day. So if you didn't see that, check it out after this video. But right now, let's go eat some barbecue. Cheers. Okay, we just got to Full Moon Barbecue. She's going to try American barbecue for the very first time. This place is delicious. I've been several times with my parents, and now she's here for the very first time. So, let's go eat some barbecue. Smell it? What do you think? Mac and cheese? Mac and cheese?
I'm cob on a corn.
Corn on the cob.
Well, whatever that is, though. Corn on a cob.
I want to give a shout out to someone for buying me a coffee via my link below, buy me a coffee. Your support really means so much. If you want to consider helping out and supporting the channel as well, just scan the QR code right here and you can also buy me a coffee. It really helps me to continue to produce content and just bring you all things about my life, all my travel experiences, and everything that Petra and I go through together. If there's anything you want to see or any recommendations you have, please let us know in the comments down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Cheers.
You know, kind of like, all right, this is nonsense. Anybody really, think about it. Anybody can come forward.
Okay, we left lunch and now we stopped in Auburn at Buc-ees. We're continuing on the way. Petra just had her first barbecue sandwich, first mac and cheese, first collard greens, first cornbread, first corn on the cob. She's here, she basically had everything new. She's tried sweet tea. Everything's new to her. It's all a cultural experience. We're gonna continue into Buc-ees and we're going to hopefully get the biggest drink you've ever seen. The European mind can't comprehend the to-go cups inside of this gas station. So let's go get one. Cheers.
I'm sure how many cars.
And all these people are just coming for snacks and stuff. Look at all these cars.
Yeah. That's a big one.
That is a big one. The bathroom's really nice.
Wow.
Going off-roading right now.
Yeah.
There's our crash over there. You can see the cars turning around on the interstate. So we're also changing our direction. Let's keep going.
Wow.
I'm taking my European girlfriend to the Waffle House. We're back in the States for the first time. This is day number 3, and we're going to the Waffle House. This place is delicious. We went the other night on her very first night, but we were exhausted. So maybe we'll have a different experience this time.
I'm exhausted again.
We're exhausted again, but we're going again. Do you love Waffle House? I think this is one of the most American things you could possibly do. But let's go eat. Cheers. Take a photo. Okay, we just got to lunch. This is day 2. Actually, the first day we're spending in Macon, some actual time. So we're about to go eat at this place called Dawson's Kitchen. It's known for its Southern cooking, homegrown food. We're excited. She's excited. I think she's gonna retry the mac and cheese. Yesterday she had it the first time, but today she's gonna try something a bit better. So we're gonna go in here soon and find something good to eat. But yeah, let's go into Dawson's. I love that.
Hey, how y'all doing? To do shorts.
Wow. Double mac and cheese.
Oh.
What are you thinking?
I'm excited to try mac and cheese again. And
Beef tips and rice.
beef tips. Why is it tips? Because of the
Oh.
chunks.
Organ meat.
Huh?
Organ meat.
Now you're doing too much.
Yeah. Ooh, that's good.
Yeah? Okay, we're leaving Dawson's Kitchen in Macon. We just had lunch, and this is my European girlfriend's first time having this kind of food, this Southern home-cooked food. So, what was your favorite, and what did you think?
I really like the beef tips with rice. I tried mac and cheese for the second time. I didn't really like it yesterday. It was where
And Full Moon
Full
barbecue.
Moon. I liked it today a bit more,
Yeah,
but it's not really my thing. It's interesting, but it's just not for me.
something different. Yeah.
Yeah, but I really like the beef tips.
Beef tips.
What else? That's it.
That's it.
I had a cornbread,
Yeah.
kind of dry, but it
Anyway.
was okay. It was okay.
Yeah. Anyways, that's a food review from Dawson's Kitchen. We hope you have an amazing day. Cheers. Okay, so I am showing Petra an American home. We're inside one right now. We're just kind of walking around and looking around and checking it out. Yeah. So what are your thoughts on this?
I think everything is pretty spacious.
Yeah.
It looks really nice. It has a lot of rooms. It has like 3 bedrooms.
Yeah,
or 2
there's at
bedrooms.
least.
Yeah, or even 3. Looks nice. They have fireplace.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're just walking around and checking it out. But it's pretty cool. It's her first time like coming to a house like this, and she's seen them in the movies and
Yeah, the big kitchen.
the big kitchens and everything. So it's really cool for her. Really cool experience. So we're really excited to be here and to be able to share this with you. We just came from lunch, Dawson's Kitchen. And what'd you think of lunch?
It was really good.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
It was pretty good. It was a nice Southern comfort food meal. Beef tips and rice. I had collard greens and she had double mac and cheese. So it doesn't get more Southern US than that. But yeah, so now we're checking out this house and we're gonna walk to the backyard now and check that out. So we'll keep going. Cheers. You can walk around.
Mm-hmm.
Let's tell me if you can walk around. deer poop. Oh, I guess this area is all fenced in. Oh, look at this spider right here. Look.
Ooh, don't touch that.
It goes from the tree down to the ground.
Where's the spider? Ooh, that's disgusting, making my skin crawl.
Let's go check out the.
Fui.
Let's go check out the deer poop. See, that's fresh deer poop.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, there's another.
Okay.
See, it's closed over there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty nice. So it's a pretty big yard, yeah. Well, it's kind of messed it up here. Anyways. She got me tripping, I was stumbling,